Hi everyone, today we are doing Module 6, Geometry of Level E of VMath. This is Lesson 1, so turn to page 9 and follow along and take notes. So we're going to be learning how to use a protractor. This tool is called a protractor. Now you'll notice, and in the last lesson we learned about different kinds of angles. So you can see a straight line right here is 180 degrees. Okay, then we have the 90 that makes that perpendicular angle and perpendicular lines, which makes a right angle. So that's exactly a right angle. So now if we want to practice doing 35 degrees, we always start at the zero, one of the zeros. You can go from either side. Now, I'm going to go from this side. I'm going to start in the center, and I'm going to make my first line at 0 degrees. Okay, so it's pointing right at that 0. Then what I'm going to do is I need to find where 35 is. So if this is 0, here's my 0. I got to find 35. So I'm going to go up 10, 20, 30, and then there's 40. So it'd be halfway in between 35 right there at that line. So I would need to make an angle, and if you were doing this on paper, you should use like a ruler so you have a straight edge, and you would just draw your line right at the 35 degrees. So then that means that this red angle is 35 degrees. Now I can do it from the other way too. I can start in the center and start right at the 0, because this is also 0 right here. And then I'm going to go 35, but now I have to look here. So 10, 20, 30, 40, and then 35 is right in the middle. So then I would draw my angle. Ooh, and I would definitely, on paper, you'll use a ruler so it'll be nice and straight. But right at the 35 degrees, so then this is also 35. So either way, you can measure from either way. Okay, this one is 150 degrees. Well, again, we always start pointing one of our lines right at that 0. Then we're going to go 150. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150. So that means my arrow needs to go point at the 150, and it is going that way. So that angle is 150 degrees. Now again, if I was going the other way, you can always go the other way. You can start in the center and point your 0 degrees right here, that first line, and then go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150. And then I'm going to draw my arrow this way, and then from here to here, that is 150 degrees. So that's an obtuse angle. On this one, 90 degrees. So either way, you can start this way, point at 0, and then just straight up and down is 90 degrees. And it makes that right angle, so that's 90. You can also go the other way. So if you had started in the center, drew 0, your first line to that 0, and then drew that middle line, this is also 90 degrees. Okay, and then last one here, we have 180 degrees. So we start here, we draw to the 0, and remember 180 is all the way over. So we can see it says 180 right there. You also could have gone the other way from this 0 all the way over, and then it's 180 that way too. A straight line is 180 degrees. Okay, you're going to do, we'll take some notes here. So it says, Elise is using a protractor to measure angle RST. So angle RST to measure this angle. RST is so we can see here, we can see that it is less than 90. So it's an acute angle. Use the blank scale to find the measure of RST. So we're going to use our protractor to find the degrees. So the measure of RST, so look here, they started and they went this way to 0, and then they went up here. And so then we're going to measure, and we know that it's less than 100. I'm going to zoom in here so you can see this better. We know that it is less than 100 degrees. So we're not going to, or 90 degrees. We're not going to use those numbers. We're going to go in between 70 and 80 because we know it's less than 100. So if we continue with this line and it goes right to that center one, this angle is 75 degrees. So we'll zoom back out and we'll write the measure is 75 degrees. So this next part at the bottom here, it says we're going to use the following steps to find the measure of an unknown angle. Well, we can look here and we can see we know WST is a right angle. That is 90 degrees. So it says write an equation using the given angles. How many degrees plus the question mark equals 90? So then what we'll have to do, if we know that RST is 75, so we found that because we measured up here, we know that we can add this angle right here that is 75 degrees, and we're going to add it to this question mark, and that should equal 90 because it makes a right angle. So 75 degrees plus something equals 90. Well, now we're just going to subtract it. 90 minus 75 equals 15 degrees. So this unknown angle, this right here, this question mark, that is 15 degrees. All right, so now what you're going to do on your own is complete numbers 1 through 4 on page 9 on your own. Ask for help if you need it. Good luck.